So we've come to Thursday. Everybody is having a wonderful time on Star Island. And when they come to hear you Thursday morning, what are they going to hear?
Folks are going to hear me talk about what can I do right here and now to help mitigate, curtail the direction that climate change is headed into the 21st and 22nd centuries. We're going to talk about our climate footprints. What are the specific things that we as humans do make us intensive users of carbon-based energy? How can we palliate some of these effects? And is there any possibility of geoengineering our way out of our conundrum?
What a wonderful